बांग्लादेश में हिंदू, बौद्ध और अन्य अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय के लोगों को वहां के कट्टरपंथियों के द्वारा मारा जा रहा है। याद करना कि जिन्ना का जिन्न जब तक इस धरती पर रहेगा तब तक इस प्रकार की अराजकता लगातार बढ़ती रहेगी। जो ढोंग कर रहे हैं ना संविधान की प्रति दिखा कर, ये वह प्रति दिखा रहे हैं जो इन्होंने उस बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर की मूल संविधान पर कुठाराघात करके उसकी हत्या करने का प्रयास किया।
स्कूल देखो, धक्के देखो, बिजली देखो, सीपर देखो,
आप अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराओगे कभी? आप करा सकते हो अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन? इसलिए नहीं होगा। मोदी जी अडानी जी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं करा सकते क्योंकि अगर वो कराएंगे तो वो अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराएंगे। मोदी और अडानी एक है, दो नहीं है, एक है।
So, ladies and gentlemen, do you know what is the biggest problem with Yogi Adityanath? He is not like other politicians. He is not going to be politically correct. You cannot but just expect some very, very direct, words from him. He spoke about Babar yesterday. Today he's speaking about Jinnah. And what is the biggest problem with Rahul Gandhi? As we'll bring up those images on your screens, that Rahul Gandhi today has been rejected by the voters. He's been rejected by his own allies in the parliament, in the Sansad, in spite of the fact that he holds the Samvidhan day in and day out. But Rahul Gandhi, the biggest problem is that he has now been reduced to just a T-shirt politician. Every day on that, white T-shirt, you will have a new slogan. He will say Adani, Adani, Adani. When he's not wanting to drive down to Sambal, he'll be in the Sansad crying again, Adani, Adani. So what if the entire bunch of his good friends, the part of the India Alliance, have said, no, let's talk about people's issues. But have you ever seen Rahul Gandhi or even Akhilesh Yadav, Mamta Banerjee on a protest march? Why? Because you have Hindus under attack in Bangladesh. Because you have Hindu temples there that have come under attack. Because Hindu women there have been assaulted. Absolutely not. So this tells you more about his priorities. But the point is, what do you do about a Yogi Adityanath who's the #1 newsmaker on the second straight day? He's calling out the hypocrisy of all those who do not have a problem with Musalman ek saath ho jao, who want to divide and rule the society. He says Bangladesh is becoming what Pakistan today is. And there are some people who still like Jinnah, Yogi says, want to divide and rule. So who really are these people he's talking about? I let you, the viewer, decide, because you can watch everything that's been happening. Let's bring up the top 5 questions at 5 as we will try to find answers to what really explains this complete directness, this unequivocal, condemnation of hypocrisy by netas like Rahul Gandhi, by netas like Akhilesh Yadav, by Yogi Adityanath. So Jinnah, after the Babar analogy, who is Yogi Adityanath alluding towards? Who are the modern day Jinnahs? Are they here in the country or they are outside? Look around. Yogi says, aapko sab pata chal jayega. This brings us to our second question now. Has Yogi Adityanath rightly called out those who support the rioters? There are people, there are politicians, there are, netas who are standing with the rioters. They do not even call them rioters, mind you. And these are the same people who want to divide and rule. And I must tell you that the Samajwadi Party that was discussing Sambal in the Sansad and Akhilesh Yadav, his own clan, at least 2 of their netas have actually gone to meet with the rioters. They've also said ki hum inka pura legal assistance karenge. Why? Why is the Samajwadi Party wanting to stand with rioters, and is Rahul Gandhi okay with this? This brings us to our next question now that's going to go up on your screens. Has Rahul Gandhi, ladies and gentlemen, ever protested for Hindus? Has he ever done that? Who are under attack in Bangladesh? Because, our teams tried to search it. We could not find it. We've never seen a single image of Rahul Gandhi protesting even in the Sansad. Why does he believe that when Hindus are under attack in Bangladesh, Hindu temples there have been attacked, Hindu brothers and sisters are under attack, Rahul Gandhi does not speak for them? He is not outside like he's wearing his t-shirt and a mask today saying Modi Adani ek hai. Why not speak for Hindus? He does not even say the word Hindus. In fact, if truth be told. This brings us to our next question. Has blatant Muslim appeasement? There is just no way, to not say this. Many people will say that, should we be talking like this? But then if there are netas who are absolutely okay in indulging in blatant Muslim appeasement, why can't we call out such netas? And is this the biggest problem of Rahul Gandhi? And that is the reason why you say Rahul Gandhi sinking, bringing the Congress down, and his allies today also want to dump him. Rahul Gandhi getting largely isolated. This brings us to our final question now that's going to go up on your screens. Rejected by the voters. Voters in Haryana, voters in Maharashtra have told us what they want. What is their war cry? कि एक रहेंगे तो safe रहेंगे versus सब मुसलमान एक साथ हो जाए. So he's rejected by the voters, now rejected by his own allies in the Sansad, like the Trinamool, like the Samajwadi Party, like the Aam Aadmi Party. Has Rahul Gandhi then, ladies and gentlemen, just been reduced to t-shirt politics? Just t-shirt politics. Just symbolism. He doesn't talk about pro-people issues. He does not speak for the majority of the country. And there are clearly lot and many indications that tell you that he possibly is also being used by the deep state elsewhere to bring down Bharat. Let's quickly say good evening to our panel of guests joining us here on the show this evening. We have Radhika Kheda, who represents the BJP. She is their national spokesperson. Mr. Raj Gopalan ji is a senior journalist. Nikul Patel is representing the Congress. Yash Bhartiya ji is representing the Samajwadi Party. And Anmol is representing the Aam Aadmi Party. So, Nikul, I'm spoiled for choice. Should we begin with Nikul? Should we begin with the Samajwadi Party or the Aam Aadmi Party? Because they're all on the same side. लेकिन लड़ते रहते हैं. But Nikul, Yogi Adityanath today has said कि जिन्ना की soul, जिन्ना की आत्मा अभी भी जिंदा है. Who do you think he's talking about?
I think Yogi Adityanath ji is a Dev Guru. He might be having a spiritual contact with Jinnah ji, and he must be able to explain where the Jinnah ji spirit is right now available in India.
Really, Jinnah ji, Nikul? Jinnah ji now?
We have to respect everyone.
Oh.
See, we have to respect everyone, even Modi ji.
Right? Come on, now if you equate Narendra Modi and Jinnah in the same breath.
I'm not able to listen to your voice.
No. Nikul, I will check this again. You are saying that there is no difference between how you will speak of the Prime Minister of the country and how you will speak of Jinnah?
See, you cannot respect elder people. You have to respect the elder people in the country.
What is wrong with you, Nikul? Do you know what Jinnah stands for? Come on.
Arey yaar, Jinnah is a name.
What is Arey yaar? Come on. I mean, what is Arey yaar? This casual approach, no, Nikul, this casual approach of the Congress is the biggest problem.
You don't respect elder people in your family. That shows that you are not Hindu. You are not following Hindu culture.
I will
respect elder people in the country.
Raj Gopalaji, I really do not know what to say to Nikul. But I will let Radhika get into this right away. Radhika?
Well, since for this Congress spokesperson, whoever he is, if for him Jinnah is family, well then I'm sure he should be packed up and sent off to Pakistan. If you have trouble arranging for a ticket, I can pay for your ticket, or you'd like to go by the route by land, we can open the gates at the Atari border for you. Whichever way you find comfortable, we are ready to send you off to Pakistan, because that's where your family is. If you are okay by calling someone who has been responsible for the number of people who were killed when the partition took place, the amount of hatred for Hindus that had developed in Pakistan, if you want to call him G and you consider him a family member, well, please. I'm sure even Pakistan will welcome you with open hands. And I promise you that there will be no one who will be stopping you, and we will pack you off. Secondly, it's sad, this is what the Congress is reduced to, which is why Rahul is only limited to his t-shirt politics. Wo ek line that I always use, Papu ke puppies, and this is what we are seeing today. It's horrific what this man has said, and he's comparing the Prime Minister to Jinnah. I mean, I don't even feel like getting angry at such nonsense anymore. Because the people of India are giving him a reply. We don't need to give them a reply anymore. The BJP spokesperson does not need to get angry. The BJP spokesperson does not need to say anything. The people of India, the people of every state have given a befitting reply, whether it was a record in Haryana or a record in Maharashtra. The more they abuse the Prime Minister, the more they say bad things about him, the more they show their love for Pakistan. The people of India have been throwing them out.
Yes, and you know, so, Radhika,
and even their own
I don't know where Nikul Patel has vanished. I don't see him on air anymore. I want to find out. Yes, I want to really find out if he does realize what is the faux pas he made. Because Raj Gopalan ji, I see him back there. Nikul, you still manage to smile. Do you want to apologize? Do you want to apologize? And say कि आपको शायद नहीं पता है कि जिन्ना क्या करते थे, जिन्ना किस चीज के लिए खड़े हुए थे और जिन्ना ने क्या किया है. Do you want to apologize?
First, let me know what I should apologize.
Jinnah ji, Jinnah, part of the family, part of the Hindu culture, really? I mean, you have zero time, Nikul, to protest and speak for Hindus in Bangladesh. You do not want to speak for Hindus in Bangladesh, but you want to say Jinnah ji और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी में कोई फर्क नहीं है.
Everyone ji. I'm not able to listen you. I
don't know why you can't hear people anymore. You can't hear Akhilesh Yadav. You can't hear Mamata Banerjee. Samajwadi Party wants to come in. Yash Bhartiya, आपके लिए भी जिन्ना जी हैं, जिन्ना हीरो है. अखिलेश यादव ने कई बार जिन्ना जी की तारीफ की है ना, उस हिसाब से तो आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
मैं अभी राधिका जी को सुन रहा था, वो भेजने की व्यवस्था कर रही हैं, तो इस उम्र में अब लालकृष्ण आडवाणी जी तो दोबारा जिन्ना की मजार पे नहीं जा सकते चादर चढ़ाने के लिए, फूल चढ़ाने के लिए. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष संस्थापक रहे लालकृष्ण आडवाणी जी, क्या करने गए थे मजार पे? ये बेहतर राधिका जी, आप ठीक है नई भाजपा में गई है तो दिखाना पड़ेगा, नया प्याज खाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है खाइए.
अच्छा, पर्सनल क्यों हो रहे हैं? यश आप कुछ भी करिए, पर्सनल क्यों हो जाते हैं आप लोग? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता. तर्क है सर, तो तर्क रखिए. प्लीज बी क्लियर ऑन फैक्ट्स. डोंट मेक दिस अ पर्सनल बैटल प्लीज.
पैसा देना चाहती है, हमारे को सुविधा दे रही है कि हम रोड से जाएं, बाई एयर जाएंगे, टिकट पे कर रही है.
अरे आप वो छोड़िए ना. नहीं यश आप मुझे छोटी सी बात बताइए. अगर योगी आदित्यनाथ ने कल बाबर का नाम लिया, आज उन्होंने जिन्ना का नाम लिया, वो क्या गलत कह रहे हैं? मुझे ये बताइए ना. अभी आपने निकुल का रिस्पॉन्स सुना. मतलब कौन डिवाइड एंड रूल करना चाहता है? देश देख रहा है ना आप लोगों को कि आप किसके साइड खड़े हैं, किसके लिए खड़े हैं.
दीप्ति जी, डिवाइड एंड रूल कैसे हो जाएगा? मतलब हम बांग्लादेश की अगर चिंता करेंगे तो हमारा देश डिवाइड एंड रूल हो जाएगा. कौन तोड़ना चाह रहा है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी के.
नहीं, मुझे ये बताइए यश जी, बांग्लादेश में इस समय क्या दिक्कत है आप जानते हैं?
आपने सवाल कर दिया, मैं जवाब दे दूं.
हाँ बोलिए.
बांग्लादेश में जो भी दिक्कतें हैं हम सब उसको मिलकर एक साथ कर लेंगे. उसमें सब लोग एक साथ हैं, सवाल कर रहे हैं. काम किसको करना है? सरकार को करना है, विपक्ष को नहीं करना. और जवाब सरकार को देना चाहिए. जो CIA ने बांग्लादेश में अस्थिरता लाई है, जो अमेरिका ने पूरी अस्थिरता लाई है, जिनकी अमेरिका से बहुत अच्छी दोस्तियां हैं, और सरकार में जिम्मेदारी काम करना चाहे उनको करना है. हम सवाल करके अस्थिरता पैदा करके क्या कर रहे हैं? हम देश की बात कर रहे हैं. देश में जिन चीजों की जरूरत है उस पर सवाल कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा बताइए, संभल में क्या हुआ है और अचानक समाजवादी पार्टी ये सब राइटर्स के साथ क्यों खड़ी नजर आ रही है? आप क्यों उनको लीगल असिस्टेंस देंगे? आपके नेता क्यों जेल में उनको मिलने जाते हैं?
दीप्ति जी, हमारे देश के अंदर अस्थिरता है. कोर्ट कहता है एक बार जाके सर्वे कीजिए, दूसरी बार बिना कोर्ट की इजाजत के सर्वे कहते हैं, और तीसरी बार जब कोर्ट में सर्वे की रिपोर्ट देनी है तो तीसरा टाइम फिर मानते हैं कि हम तो सर्वे कर ही नहीं पाए. तो ये नाकामयाबी किसकी है? और अस्थिरता का माहौल कौन बना रहा है? देश में तनाव कौन बना रहा है? आज बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का परिनिर्वाण दिवस है, मेरे श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित थे, और आज ही के दिन देश भर में तनाव बनाया था. किन लोगों ने बनाया था? किन लोगों ने अस्थिरता बनाई थी? देश के अंदर सबसे बड़े दंगे आज के दिन हुए थे 6 दिसंबर में. किन लोगों ने किए थे? और जब न्यायालय के अंदर बात आई कि जिम्मेदारी लीजिए तो सब भागते हुए नजर आए. सारे के सारे लोग भागते नजर आए. केवल 1 से 12 साहब ठाकरे जी, जिन्होंने इस बात की जिम्मेदारी ली कि हाँ आज मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, और उनका वोटिंग राइट छीन लिया गया. लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक भी आदमी न्यायालय में नहीं कह पाया कि आज के लिए हम जिम्मेदार हैं. लेकिन भरी रैलियों में दंगे भड़काने के लिए, अस्थिरता फैलाने के लिए, माहौल खराब करने के लिए, सौहार्द बिगाड़ने के लिए।
यश, आप समाजवादी पार्टी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और मैं ये उम्मीद करूंगी कि आप जो इस शो पर बोल रहे हैं वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ बोलेंगे, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और फैक्ट्स के साथ बोलेंगे। यश, यही दिक्कत होती है, आप लोग बांटने के लिए कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं। ये मामला कोर्ट में गया नहीं गया, राधिका, मैं राधिका को बिल्कुल, मैं राधिका को आने मैं राधिका जवाब देगी। आपने सवाल उठाए हैं, मेरी राधिका जवाब देगी। यस,
सबसे पहले मेरे पे एक पर्सनल अटैक किया गया तो मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं। मैं पर्सनल अटैक्स नहीं करूंगी, इन्हीं के नेताजी के शब्दों से करूंगी। अब मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने कहा था कि मेरे बेटे ने, अखिलेश ने कांग्रेस के साथ गठबंधन कर लिया। वो कांग्रेस जिसने मेरी जिंदगी तबाह कर दी, मुझ पे और मेरे बेटे पे इतने केस लगाए, बात बात पे ईडी भेज देते थे, और मेरे बेटे ने उसी कांग्रेस से गठबंधन कर लिया और हमारी पार्टी तबाह कर ली, इसलिए हम उत्तर प्रदेश में सरकार नहीं बना पाए। एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल हमने महाराष्ट्र में देखा था जो बेटा अपने पिता का नहीं हुआ। आपको याद है हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाला साहब ठाकरे जी ने क्या कहा था? मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगा, अपनी पार्टी बंद कर दूंगा, लेकिन उसे कांग्रेस नहीं होने दूंगा। और उद्धव ठाकरे ने जाके कांग्रेस से हाथ मिलाया। नतीजा पूरे देश के सामने है। और यही हाल इनके प्रवक्ता और इनकी पार्टी अखिलेश यादव का होने वाला है। मेरे पे सवाल उठाने से पहले नेताजी की बातों पे जाइए और याद कीजिए, आपका जो पूरा का पूरा समाजवादी पार्टी का इतिहास है और उसकी पूरी लड़ाई है, वो राम मनोहर लोहिया जी के शब्दों पे। और राम मनोहर लोहिया जी क्या कहते हैं? जिस देश में राम जी को पूजा जाएगा, शिव जी को पूजा जाएगा, कृष्ण जी को पूजा जाएगा, उसको बाहर का कोई आके नहीं बर्बाद कर सकता, उसको कोई खत्म नहीं कर सकता। ये शब्द थे उनके। तो आज जो ये समाजवादी पार्टी वाले एक ही धर्म के लोगों के लिए उनका दिल धड़कता है। क्यों नहीं? डीएनए का सवाल पूछ लिया अगर मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, तो कितने कष्ट हो गए अखिलेश यादव को। और खुद जो लड़की डीएनए का पूछते हैं, जो लड़की उन्हीं के नेता द्वारा प्रताड़ित है, बलात्कार किया जाता है, उस लड़की का डीएनए पूछने में तो अखिलेश यादव ने 1 सेकंड नहीं लगाया। तो
ठीक है, और इस पे राधिका अखिलेश बहुत ज्यादा खुलकर बात करना नहीं चाहते। बट यश, रुकिएगा, राजगोपालन जी, आई नो यू वांट टू कमेंट, बट आई क्विकली वांट टू गेट अनमोल हियर, हु इज अनयूजुअली क्वाइट। अनमोल, आप क्यों इतना खामोश हैं? आपको टेंशन हो रही है क्या? सी, राहुल गांधी इज आइसोलेटेड इन द पार्लियामेंट एवरी डे। अडानी 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 अडानी। Has he ever said Hindus, Hindus, Hindus in Bangladesh? Can he not say that? Is it that difficult?
दीप्ति जी, मैं खामोश इसलिए हूं क्योंकि मुझे इतना जरूर पता है कि हमारी संसद में जिन्ना, अकबर और बाबर की चर्चा नहीं होती, देश के आम आदमी की चर्चा होती है। मैं खामोश इसलिए हूं कि संसद में, because we know that the democracy which thrives on discussion and diversity of thought is essential for a balanced governance. But still we are not discussing the fact that in clear violation of the Supreme Court directive restraining bulldozer action across the nation, 12 shops were razed in Sambhal. I am quiet because I was considering that we would be discussing about the deteriorating law and order situation in Delhi, which is under the control of Ministry of Home Affairs and the of our country, Mr. Amit Shah. Because I thought that we would be discussing about the persecution which is happening in Bangladesh, and our leader, Mr. Raghav Chadha, has given more than 3 notices of suspension of business for a discussion on this continued persecution.
Why does Rahul Gandhi not agree with your agenda? No, that's the question I'm asking. Why can't he raise these issues?
Do you agree with my agenda?
I don't need to agree. I'm not a part of your alliance or anyone else's alliance. No, Anmol. I'm not doing that.
If Deepti ji, we might have different views. We can discuss. See, what may be your priority may not align with the concerns of another person.
No, but how can Hindus under attack not be a priority for the grand old party here? I want to know. And Adani is the only priority. Does he speak about issues related to the Aam Aadmi Party? The answer is no. Does he speak about issues related to the SP? The answer is no. ममता बनर्जी को वो आप लोग नेता नहीं बना रहे हैं. राहुल गांधी only wants to be the leader.
Deepti ji, we have been raising this issue about Hindus persecution in Bangladesh. I would like to ask the BJP spokesperson, what have they done? They are still under arrest. Chinmoy Das ji and Swami Prabhu Das, they are still under arrest. What have they done to get them released?
Okay, good questions, but no question to Rahul Gandhi. Anmol, I don't know why you're so scared of Rahul Gandhi. But Rajgopalan ji, what is at the crux of this? For the second straight day, this is Yogi Adityanath, who's not being subtle, he's not being indirect. He's, just not mincing his words, and he's telling the opposition where they stand.
Yogi Adityanath is absolutely correct on dot. Second thing, mother and son, Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, have failed in the last Lok Sabha. Now after sister coming into the parliament, the brother gets excited. If you see, these are all ideas of the sister. Come with a band, more Madani, and come with a t-shirt. Tomorrow, what will they wear? Tomorrow is, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, what will they wear? Will they wear the turban? Black turban? Or will they wear a black turban?
is at his humorous best. But, this is the problem, Nicole. And I think what Rajgopalanji is saying is also out of concern. Because look at what the opposition today is doing. All of you are concerned about your own agenda. The Gandhis are more worried about ensuring that there is a parivar in the parliament. कांग्रेस डूबती है तो डूबे, मुसलमान अपीसमेंट करना है, सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए बोलना है, संभल जाना है, हिंदूज के लिए नहीं बोलना. निकुल, how would you respond to what Rajgopalan ji has asked?
Rajgopalan ji.
Yes.
So I would start with.
Yes, but not Jinnah ji. Okay, don't say Jinnah ji now.
See, you just don't criticize that part. It is your purview.
Oh my God, what is this love for Jinnah? I do not understand. No, Nicole. What is this love for Jinnah?
What heritage and culture had given to me, that respect everyone. That is what I would like to say first to you. If you don't want to respect, don't respect.
So respect the writers, respect people who throw bricks and stones at the police, respect all those who want to divide and rule, respect Jinnah. Nicole? But do not speak about Hindus.
We are speaking of Hindus. It was Rahul Gandhi who said to the government that if you do Notbandi, it is not going to help you out. It was for the entire country.
No. Come back to the issue at hand. Come back to the issue at hand, Nicole. Can you tell me what did the Congress say in its statement? You said religious minorities. वहाँ पर आप Hindus नहीं बोल पाए.
So then try to listen to me what I am justifying it. Hindu is a way of living. An entire country is Hindu. That is what I believe, and that is what Vivekananda said. It is not a particular religion that you are quoting. First thing. Secondly, if it is related to Bangladesh, definitely everyone is concerned about it, and it is the government who has to respond and reply.
Nicole, you haven't come prepared today, okay? You haven't come prepared today. This is the second chance that was given to you, and you have ensured that you have proven Rajgopalanji right. Rajgopalanji, now you can complete your point quickly, sir.
No, I want to say, Mr. Sambit Patra yesterday held a press conference, and today they stalled the parliament. From Pappo, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been graduated to traitor. A national party of 135 years old, their leader is not wearing khadi, wearing not even khadi cap. He says only Adani. Did Mahatma Gandhi or Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi teach you whether Adani is the politics? Today, the DMK also sidelined the Congress. You talked about Samajwadi Party, Aam Aadmi Party. Today, DMK did not join. They are opening an airport with, Adani's investment in Tamil Nadu, Parandur. And moreover, Radhika just now mentioned about, about BJP spokesperson mentioned. But same Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, shook with DMK, who was alleged to have been the mastermind of Rajiv Gandhi's killing in 1991.
Yes.
Why did Madam Radhika Khera forget about this? She should mention it.
Yes, I think the more you talk about it, Nicole, Yash और अनमोल आपके लिए दिक्कत होगी. Yash, आखिर के 10 सेकंड है बस.
जी, आज के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी की राजनीति और आरएसएस की राजनीति के लिए इंडिया टुडे ने 31 दिसंबर 1992 के लिए छापा था. कलेक्टर हुआ सारा.
अरे आप 1992 में पहुंच गए हैं. भारत आगे जा रहा है. थोड़ा तो आगे देखिए ना, प्लीज आगे देखिए. कभी तो आगे देखिए. भारत को आगे ले जाना है, पीछे ले जाना है.
अरे दीप्ति जी, भारत को ही आगे ले जाना है. संभल से भी कलंक
कैसे ले जाएंगे सर? अगर कोई जिन्ना जी बोलेगा, कोई बोलेगा मुसलमान एक साथ हो जाइए, तो आप लोग भारत की बात नहीं कर रहे ना. दिक्कत वही है. अब आप देखिए, अनमोल आपसे अग्री नहीं करते. अनमोल खामोश हो चुके हैं. अनमोल ना निकुल से अग्री करते हैं, ना आपसे अग्री करते हैं. वो खामोश है. उनका फोकस सिर्फ दिल्ली चुनाव जीतने पर है. बस ये दिक्कत है. ये इंडिया अलायंस है. सिर्फ टेलीविजन डिबेट्स पर आप लोग साथ में आते हैं, अंदर से बिल्कुल साथ में नहीं है. ओनली फॉर वर्ड ऑफ टाइम. Radhika and all gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. We quickly head into a break. On the other side, lots more coming up.